Hi class, remember today when we talked about nouns? What were they? That's right, they're a person, place, or thing. But do you know what describes a noun? An adjective describes a noun. An adjective describes a noun by answering one of three questions. What kind? Which one? And how many? In this video, we are going to learn how to identify the adjectives in a sentence and how to insert them in a sentence to get our point across. The first kind of question that an adjective can answer is what kind. What kind lets the audience know the type of thing that is being described. In the sentence, Katie wanted the pink sparkly shoes that would match her polka dot dress. What answers what kind? You may pause the video to answer this on your own on a scratch piece of paper. The correct answer is pink sparkly and polka dot. This is because pink sparkly describes the shoes and polka dot describes the dress. They both answer what kind. The next kind of question is which one. Which one describes exactly what kind the speaker is talking about. In the sentence, the most excited fan in the crowd is the one jumping up and down. What answers which one? You may pause the video to answer. The correct answer is most excited. This is because the sentence isn't talking about any fan that is excited, it's talking about the most excited fan in the crowd. That is why it describes exactly which one. The last type of question is how many. How many lets the audience know exactly what amount of objects there are. In the sentence, there are 12 donuts in the box. What answers how many? You may pause the video to answer. The correct answer is 12, because that tells you the exact amount of donuts that were in the box. There was 12 donuts. Adjectives are used to spice up the sentence and give a feeling to the reader. The sentence, "The puppies were playing in the grass," contains no adjectives. To help the reader know what puppies and what grass, the writer would add in adjectives. An example of this would be saying, "The 5 hyper puppies were playing in the tall grass." 5 hyper describes how many and what kind of puppies, and tall describes what kind of grass. What adjectives would you add in? In class tomorrow, we will be adding adjectives to answer what kind, which one, and how many questions to class. Come with ideas and with examples you make tonight with "the puppies were playing in the grass." You're probably asking, so what do we bring into class? You need to bring in your notes from this video, "the puppies were playing in the grass" examples. You also need to bring in your knowledge, because we will be working on more examples and have an assignment tomorrow in class. So be prepared and have a great night.